It's a lot of people write me and say, when do you put the sauce on? That's the number one thing with barbecue chicken. You put the sauce on as soon as you take it off, like within 5 minutes when it's piping hot. You take it off the grill so you don't have to clean your grill. You put it in the sauce, and that's the last thing you do. All right, we're gonna try out this thermometer today too. But first, I want to remind you that when you're watching this video, that all our sauces are online. The barbecue, the hot barbecue, those are both high fructose corn syrup free. And then we got the teriyaki and the Jamaican jerk. They're all online on Amazon. If you guys want to check it out, you can get it there. So you guys have seen me use this thermometer. This is a $100 thermometer that they set the show. And this one that we're going to test out, Smartro, this is a $16 thermometer. If this works as good as the $100 thermometer, I'm going to recommend you guys buy this thermometer. Are you ready? So we're using this thermometer on the smoker. You guys wanted to see how does a smoker bake? You just turn it up to 350. 250 is smoking, 350 is baking. That's all you got to worry about. It's the temperature. So we're going to go outside and we're going to barbecue our chicken. I'm going to show you how to do it on the Z Grills smoker. We're going to use the Z Grills brand. But first we have to season. If you want to season, some people don't season if they're using sauce that has seasoning in it already. I'm using basic seasoning, some sage, salt, pepper, chili powder, smoked paprika. Just mix it in a bowl. Now that the chicken's all seasoned, let's take it out to the grill. Okay, some people wanted me to show this barbecuing, and so that's what we're doing today. We're doing a barbecue chicken video so that you can see how the smoker also barbecues. We have this grill at 350 degrees. Okay guys, remember to foil this. If you use foil, you'll thank me later. Get the chicken on right now. Those are some big breasts right there. I'm sure I'll get a few comments on that. Ta-da! Oh yeah. 155. 157. Yeah, it's not ready yet. It'll be done in a few minutes. We'll get it inside. Okay guys, just took the chicken off. That's how you do it. You get it piping hot and then apply your sauce. Make sure you get it on each piece of chicken. There you go. It will caramelize. It's so hot. You can feel the heat from the chicken right now. You want to keep the sauce off your grill. If you don't mind cleaning your grill, have at it. Me, I sauce when I get it in the kitchen. I used it outside. It's $16. It's well worth the purchase price. So don't spend $100 if you don't have to. Buy the $16 one. I'll have a link down below. All right, I want to thank Smartro for sending us the thermometer. I want to also thank Z Grills for sending me the grill. That's how we made this chicken. 8-in-1, that's how you barbecue it. I showed you. You guys know how to make barbecue chicken now? Let's give it a try. By the way, Z Grills is coming out in August. Hot. Still burning myself. Nice and juicy and moist. Let's give that a try. Thank you guys for your prayers. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next episode.